Yeah, do you have hiccups? Say yes. Here, let's see if we can wait for one. Wait for a pup. There it is. Okay, here. Take a sniff. Go. Deep breath. Okay, another one. Do another one.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it. Just don't touch it to your nose. Good.
Smell it.
Nope, just Nolan. Nolan's turn. Good.
What's in? I actually need
Peppermint. Keep sniffing. You just had another hiccup. Keep sniffing.
I actually need it because I have cough.
Okay, sniff again. Keep going until they're gone. Do you still have hiccup? Let's see if it comes again. He's opening his mouth to see. Keep sniffing. One more sniff. Okay, wait. Let's see if you have hiccups. Wait. Don't go anywhere. Are they in there? Let's see.
No.
Okay, wait. We have to make sure. The people need to know that they're really all gone. That's amazing. They really are gone. That's so amazing. Here, look at me, buddy. Any more? No. Okay, I think that's about long enough. Awesome. Peppermint oil gets rid of hiccups. This is the old bottle, but it will do the trick.
No.
Say thanks, oils.
Thanks, oil.